I serve as director of music here at Church of the Risen Savior, and along with doing music for the liturgies and being in charge of the masses and the various ways in which we have music here, I've also taken on the role of being a project manager with regard to some of the technology that we have here and overseeing new installations and upkeep and maintenance and stuff like that. Some of the problems that we were experiencing that prompted us to move forward with a replacement was a lot of reflected sound in the worship space that made intelligibility difficult. And that's the core thing when we're doing worship services. We want people to be able to clearly hear the words that are being spoken and sung in a very transparent way. We actually took in proposals from a number of companies and evaluated them on a number of levels, and the best fit was EDC. They came in with a bid that was not only competitive, but I felt like when we were working with their engineers and their planners, I felt the process with them was very smooth and was very good. One other thing that we were really looking for in this system was something that was user-friendly. I think we have got everybody from an entry-level sound person to someone who has done it professionally on the road. Every one of them feels as though when they are in that chair at that console, they feel like they've got it under control. I think one of the coolest things about working with EDC was that we didn't feel less than in comparison to these other very, very large projects that we knew that they had successfully completed. So that was really cool. They have the ability to gear themselves to both large and small and make it successful in any case.